This is a short video I made you to help you with finer referencing. So let's just say that you want to reference this book, The Good Research Guide by Martin Denscombe. And I know that a lot of people would just come here on Summon and click on the side button and then choose APA and then copy and paste this finer referencing. However, unfortunately, if you take a closer look, this is not correct. This is not how you provide the finer referencing, or this is not how you show that this is the fifth edition of this book. And again, you may think that, okay, this is not a big deal, but there are all sorts of other problems as well with other referencing. So I would not recommend doing this. What you should do instead is actually use the library's reference builder. So you come to the main page of Summon, you click here on referencing, and if you scroll down, you can see there are all sorts of different documents and sources that you can reference. Because this is a book that we want to reference, then here I'm just going to click on books. And even here there are all sorts of different types of books that are on offer, but here we just need book. So as you can see here on the left hand side, you see how to cite this book in the text, and on the right hand side you see the finer referencing. But if you scroll down to the bottom, then you see that here we have the reference builder, and here you can see a list of the pieces of information that you need to collect in order to be able to reference this book. So let's take a look at the book itself. Of course, I mean, this is an ebook, but it is pretty much the same with a paperback as well. So what is the information that we need? Author initials. Well, the initial is basically the first letter of the first name. Here is Martin, so we're gonna have M. You don't need to use any kind of punctuation here because the reference builder will do it for you. We need the surname, Denscombe. Okay. Now we need the title of the book. The title of the book is The Good Research Guide for Small-Scale Social Research Projects. Well, this is a good example because here we have a main title, The Good Research Guide, and then we have sort of like a subtitle, if you will, for small-scale social research projects. So I will show you how to show this in your final referencing. So you just type in the Good Research Guide, and then you have to put a colon, and then after the colon you will have to finish for small-scale social research project. For small-scale social research projects. So if you again take a closer look at how I typed in the title and we compare it with this title, because on different books we'll use different style of writing up the title. My recommendation is that basically the first letter of the title, the first word of the title should be capitalized, and then everything else is with lowercase letters, except for words that are always capitalized. For example, if you have the word English here, English is always capitalized, so that had to be capitalized regardless whether it's the first or the last word. Okay, so year of publication 2014. This is the 5th edition. Again, you just have to type in 5. Place of publication, that you will be able to find it probably on this page. Here we have, yeah, Maidenhead. It is possible that some books will have several different places of publication, like Maidenhead, New York, I don't know, Johannesburg. But basically, I would recommend that you just choose one that is the most likely here. And of course, this should be with capital M. And here the publisher was Open University Press. And now in this box, here we have the correct final referencing, and you can just copy and open a Word document. And just paste it. And there you have it. Again, I just want to show you the difference. The difference is not going to be that great if you, but it's still incorrect. And if I insert this here, okay, yeah. So I would have to present text only, and then I would need to italicize this. But again, if you compare the two, this is different, and this is going to be a problem, especially if there is a teeny tiny mistake in almost every one of your final references, then it becomes an issue. Okay, I hope this helped. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.